Lift the entire window frame and place it into the window opening. Install the frame extension trim to connect the window frame and the window trim. Install the window trim. Make the overall appearance more beautiful. Drill the screws into the pre-drilled holes on the door frame. First, install the fixed glass window below. Place the glass inside the window frame. Note that you must not let go at this point, because the glass is not yet fixed. Install pressure lines to secure the glass. All four sides need to be secured with pressure lines. Install the second fixed glass panel. All four sides need to be secured with pressure lines. Install the first sliding window. Insert the sliding rail into the slot below the window. Install anti-collision blocks. Install another sliding window. The steps are the same. Install window screens. Finished product display.